My friends, and welcome to another Zeus adventure. Today's Saturday, January the 14th. We are here back at Disneyland. Why? Because Mom chose to. It's her birthday and we are out here with all the family. Got my sister right there, got my other sister and hubby, and birthday girl. Here's my mother and dad. We're all about to do Disneyland. Join me. Let's go. Bye.
Disneyland. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, wonderful.
And we meet again.
Yes, we do. It's raining.
It's time to put on the ponchos.
Oh, looks like they're making line for a picture.
What else is it meant to keep doing besides
So we just walked in through the gates. It's 8:41 and it's starting to sprinkle, so gotta get ourselves an umbrella. Get that umbrella before the storm hits. And no more Christmas tree. No more twinkling lights. Christmas is over. So we are gonna start at Big Thunder before the rain starts pouring, so we're headed out there. Looks like it's only a 30-minute wait. Let's go do this. Okay, so they have closed Big Thunder on us. I'm not sure why it's not raining anymore. But we're gonna head out to Pirates now. Hopefully it stays like this for a while because it's supposed to be severe weather later on. It's a beautiful morning right now. Looks like they have closed the entrance to Adventureland.
Treasure map and the key as well. What I wouldn't give to see the look on Captain Jack Sparrow's face when he hears tell 'tis only me what's got the goods.
Alright, so it is raining now, so might as well just go on splash. Our first drop. My shoes. My shoes.
You can carry on now, you must move on without cause. That's your choice. How do you do? My best really shows you all. What can you
That's just where you're going.
Oh, wow, Jimmy. So my shoes are soaked now. Well, we're soaked, but it was a fun ride. Alright, okay. We're off to next.
We need the pool.
Alright, let's go.
First the wind, and now this.
It's very confusing. I have
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
For you,
Birthday, mother!
if you don't like my present, I'll take it back.
Carrying an umbrella, a gimbal, the camera, backpack. It's no fun in the rain. No fun at all. It's the 14th and Haunted Mansion Holiday is still running. Having fun in the rain? Look at my mom, she's already carrying bags of birthday presents.
Carrying my presents.
Told her to wait to the end, but she likes carrying stuff, apparently. Okay, so that is it for now here at Disneyland. Bye. Thank you. We're gonna go try to check in, or at least try see if they let us, because we're soaked. We want to change our socks. It's cold. Super rainy out here. Chose the day that was going to be 100% of rain to come out. It is a special day because it's my mom's birthday. So whatever she wants to do, that's what we do. So might as well just take advantage of us going out the park and go grab some food. A little bit of practice, I think I got the hang of it. Holding the umbrella, the gimbal, the camera. What's going on here? This thing break down or what? It's because Jimmy's stepping on the yellow line, that's why. Alright, so we are checked in at the hotel. And we are back at the Disneyland Park. It's not raining as hard anymore, but it's still wet out here. The good thing is that the crowds have left, so it should be a good night here at the park. It's around 8 o'clock, I believe. Maybe 7:30. We got till midnight, so let's keep on going. Oh, and also I had left my gimbal at the car because I didn't want to be carrying it around. It was just getting too wet. I don't want to damage it because I have a big trip coming up. Going to Europe again. Space Mountain for a 45-minute wait. Whoa, so the rain has been on and off, but it looks like the rain just started pretty hard again. And of course, no pyrotechnics, no fireworks. It's all projections and lights. This video is gonna be so unstable. I can't walk and hold the camera. Keep it pretty stable. I need the gimbal for that. It's the Mickey's Mix Magic.
Safe journey home. This tram will be returning to the main entrance plaza in just a few moments.
The birthday girl is done.
Or open the doors while the tram is still in motion. Please wait. Once the tram comes to a full
What's going on with the orgasms over there, bro?
Right side. If you're not sure which side is the driver's right side, exit out where you see the Pixar big ball at. Thank you.
Why does it have to be a German?
Chocolate.
Oh, Willy Wonka's back there.
Thank you. You ready for what? Alright, let's go. What up, guys? It's day 2 today of Mom's birthday out here. So far, it's been such a great day. Sun's out a little bit, it's not raining, so it should be a good day today. What? Mom wants me to buy her a birthday present, so we're here at the first store to the left. What is it called? Gonna search for a birthday present for her. Okay, so I do think she wants the 100th anniversary jersey. Here it is already. Do you think she's a medium? So let's go present it to her. This one?
This medium? Yeah.
Jacob.
Oh, I see that.
Okay, so we've been in line for an hour and a half, or maybe even 2 hours, just to get on Radiator Racers. Ready?
Yay! Finally!
For you, my friend, only the best. Oh, yes. Look! Wonderful times. Now you look like a real race car.
Let's see who we are about to race. We're gonna have to whoop one. They won! Well, the other car won, but it was still fun. What's up, guys? Guardians?
Man,
They don't want to get on Guardians.
I'm too chicken, bro.
I summon the spectral staff from the vaults of Asgard! Ta-da! Yes, my friend. It's good to see you. What am I doing here? What? Strange. Where is the spectral staff? Well, here's the staff, eh? Well, yes. I didn't know I was supposed to bring a staff. We just interpreted the dimensional map. All right. That suggested it would be located on Asgard. I open a portal to Asgard. You inexplicably walk through it, and here you are, staffless. I'm sorry, brother, you lost me. Spectral staff. And yeah, I was thinking about my Thor! Yes. Stop talking. Why do you have this? I found it. It was shiny, so I grabbed it. You don't know what this is, do you? It's mine now. Yep. Prepare to be earned. I'll take this one. Thor, no! Leave the cauldron of the Soul Seeker. Please do not touch that. Thor! Touch him. This way, what?
right, it's time for some Guardians. Our favorite ride out here.
My second.
Ready for the thrills or what? Ready to wake up?
I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Now show me those hands, people! You got clearance, let's roll! Okay.
We just got a ticket because we're nice enough to switch rows with another party. So we get to go again. Heck yeah. Right, and it's about that time we head out the park and go get some food across the street at Denny's. It's the way to do it. Alrighty, you guys know that I like drawing. So we're back here at the Animation Academy. This time with my parents. Both sisters and Jimmy. So like always, we're gonna compete. Who makes the better drawing? I think it's gonna be my mom.
Animation Academy. Watch your step as you're heading down those stairs there. You'll notice they are very much artistically spaced, so make sure we're looking where we're going too. And it looks like we only have the first 5 rows open, so make your way down to the first 5 rows. We're gonna ask that once you pick your row, you go all the way to the very ends of your rows as well. Please don't leave any empty boards in between you guys. Facing, or you like this board better than this other board, that's a green, one's a nature. And then in the back, you're gonna pick the board that you get to. And then what? Maybe you have a pencil, maybe you have a
Alright, let's show the final
I don't want to embarrass anybody. but
artist.
There it is. I already won.
James, put it up. You can't see it.
Come in.
It's too bright with the light. Let me get on the over here.
Grade school? I'll put that on my fridge when I get home.
James?
Yeah, no. Anna was watching the game with us.
Little tiny fox.
Sister?
I don't put a lot of effort into mine, just to let you guys know.
Soul?
My dad.
Dad?
I know, damn.
Had his first time.
Hey, I had an excuse. I was recording. I was recording.
Get the manda.
I told you not. How are you gonna draw? All right, who's gonna hold mine? That right there.
Okay, Chuchi, thanks.
All right, guys. So it did start raining around 6 o'clock. It's not raining as hard as yesterday, but there is rain. The good thing that it started pretty late, so we got to enjoy most of the day. It was actually beautiful, really beautiful day until 6. But I like the rain. It makes this place look pretty. Anyways, we're done with the animation, and we might head out to Soarin' now. Soaring up next.
We're in the tower. We are ready for takeoff.